always get kind of excited and nervous about going on a trip like this. Cute family. So I'm running waves in the trunk, in the tour bag, and silly thing's not talking to me through the head unit here, hooked up by Bluetooth. Y'all, it's too early in the morning to be cussing. I haven't had any coffee. Come on now. The road sign's taking a nap. My goodness. Oh my. Hope everybody's okay. That truck say Super Ego? I think it did. Swamp. The heck? My little trailer. Like barely clearing the ground, it looks like. Then. Oh, look at that wiggle wobble. Dude, that is not safe. City of Aaron. Tennessee. Fools. Look at that group pulling out of the gas station over there. They look like cops. I'm not sure they are though. Old cop bikes though. I gotta make a pit stop. Pit stop! Had me a banana. Use the restroom. It's a pretty cool spigot. Okay, back on the road. I think they're cooking in there. I smell food. I hope it's food. Something. Look at that view. Gorgeous. Trying to keep that landslide from happening again. Kojak. This to show me factor in for traffic. Downtown Knoxville. Come see it from all over the world. The Sun Sphere. Oh, can't see see it now. There we go, the sun sphere. Look at that, boys and girls. As seen on The Simpsons, full of wigs. So they say. Oh! Down that road. There's the Smoky Mountains, boys and girls. That's a beautiful view. Went by quick though. The last four of that Mustang tag, what I could say, orgy. Just first glance. Woo! Get some air. It's this Challenger Charger crew. One. Two. And then a Camaro.